Wake up. If you find yourself unmotivated, unsure, nervous, lost, all you have to do is start. Find out who you want to be and create actions that serve as evidence that you are that person and you will become that person. But thinking is just that. The doing is when you become who you want to become. So go do more and think less. Actually, you should probably still think. If you think you have what it takes, I'm going to be hand selecting 100 of you guys to take from 0 followers on TikTok to over 1 million followers on TikTok. If you want to be one of those 100 people, click this link in my pinned comment right now and join the Discord. I'll see you there.